Make money while you sleep. It sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. Most people who chase passive income fail. Not because passive income doesn't work, but because they don't understand how it really works. In this video, I'll break down the 5 biggest myths about passive income and show you exactly how to build it the smart way. Many people think passive income means zero effort. Buy a course, set up a blog, or invest in crypto, and money magically appears. Wrong. The truth? Passive income is front-loaded. You work hard up front to create something valuable. A YouTube channel, an online course, a real estate investment. Then, over time, it pays you back. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Most people believe you need thousands of dollars to create passive income. While it helps, it's not mandatory. Today you can start a digital product with zero cost, affiliate marketing with free tools, a faceless YouTube channel like this one. Knowledge and consistency are your real startup capital. Even if you build a great passive income stream, it's not bulletproof. Algorithms change, markets shift, platforms die. Wealthy people don't rely on one stream. They build multiple streams. Real estate dividends, digital products, royalties. They diversify. So should you. Passive income doesn't mean no maintenance. Your rental needs repairs. Your videos need updates. Your products need promotion. Even passive systems require occasional attention. Otherwise they fade. Treat it like a business, not a lottery ticket. The biggest lie? It's too late. It's not. There are more opportunities today than ever before. AI tools, global markets, low-cost automation. The game has changed. If you start now and stay consistent, your future self will thank you. Passive income is real, but only if you treat it like real work. Forget the myths. Learn the rules. Play the long game. If you're ready to escape the time for money trap, subscribe to Profitery, because here we build wealth with wisdom.